Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. As you can see, it's a rescue truck. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Rebel out of its box, and the very first thing you will notice is this paint job. It's white with all the red accents, a red paint scheme going on, and on the side it reads rescue like in really big letters. You can also see the Rebel there. Yeah, I've never seen a truck with like red cladding, but Hotwheels decided to make it like this rather than having a whole red truck, I guess. Let's start from the front. Up front, you got the detailed ram grille, you got the headlamps, which in my opinion aren't the best like headlamps you see on the truck. I think they did a better job with the newer one, I think. Can't really remember. But this grille is like unique. Rebel gets this, and I don't think other models do. You also got the skid plate here, fog lamps, and again red bumper up front. You can also see there are vents in the hood, slightly raised hood. It's got the V8 ram on the grille, so it looks alright up front. You also got this trim, black trim going all over up front, not bad. Also got the wipers. Does miss out on both the mirrors. I don't know why Hot Wheels did that. Let's go to the driver's side. So these wheels we have seen on so many different Hot Wheels SUVs, and they don't look bad here because Rebel is more of a off-road trim for Ram, so they kind of look good with raised suspension and everything. Same paint job as on the other side. Read Ram here, and there's a fuel filler here. It's a crew cab, so you got two doors. You can see door handles are blacked out. Also the B-pillar is blacked out, which is good. And the small trim piece here is black, which is again nice. Same Rebel badges, Rebel stickers, rescue stickers on the side. Just to the back. Again, you can see the Ram letter there. You can see the space for the tail lamp, but none of them are detailed. I would have loved it if at least the tail lamps were detailed. It would have looked nice. You got a small step in the rear bumper, so if you look closely you can see there's the texture on the bumper there. I think usually they have a plastic piece with the texture so that it can grip. If you try to climb, you can grip your shoes and stuff. Twin exhaust, you can see at the bottom here, and this is how the bed looks. Also got a big sunroof, panoramic sunroof here, shark fin antenna, so good details here. Interior is also done in red. Don't know if you can see through the tint, but it's also finished in red. So this is how it looks from the bottom. Overall, I feel it can use more details, and I would have rather have a red truck with gray plastic pieces to show the rescue, but I don't know which rescue they're trying to show. It has some good details, especially like the painted trim parts and all that. They look good, but still misses on a lot of details which would have made it look even better. But again, if you like pickup trucks, you can add this to your collection. It won't look bad though. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.